Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. I was just checking out on my notes here, making sure everything was right. Today is the last day of 11 days of saws, and the saw we're talking about today is no saw. We're talking about blades for saws. Whether it's a circular saw, a hand saw, a hacksaw, a jigsaw, reciprocating saw, pruning saw, concrete saws. Oh, I did forget hole saws, but that's a blade. So this is the perfect spot to put hole saws as well as auger saws. All right, of course some people will call those more of a drill, but it makes a hole, but it makes a big hole, and the hole saw is actually a saw blade in the round. So there are a lot of different saw blades out there for a lot of different functions, and so make sure you use the right saw blade for the right material you're working on, okay? Because you can kill a good saw blade by using it on the wrong material. If you need to cut concrete, there are two types of saw blades to use for concrete. One is called a masonry saw, which is basically a silicone-based blade. They're generally black, but they don't hold up too well for concrete, as well as they work better on like bricks and pavers and stuff like that, but they will cut concrete. The other one for concrete that works good on concrete and even fantastic on bricks and stuff is a concrete blade or a diamond embedded blade. And it's a circular blade like for a circular saw. They come in 4-inch, 6-inch, 7-inch, 7.5, 10-inch, and 12-inch. So, and actually they may even come bigger for the professional machines as well. Yeah, in fact, they do come bigger for professional machines. But you're not going to get a professional machine, I don't think. Generally, with the diamond embedded ones, you want to use a lubricating agent, such as water, to help you cut with it. Other blades, with the hole saws for concrete, generally they're carbide tip or diamond impregnated. And when you're cutting through concrete, generally it's not like we're cutting through a board. You just don't go. It's like slowly, as it slowly eats away at the concrete as you go through it. Same thing with a hole saw. It takes a while to go through it. Let's see here. Like I mentioned the last couple days for the jigsaw and reciprocating saw blades, there are dozens and dozens of different types, lengths, widths, thicknesses, teeth per inch saw blades out there you can get for your saws. Same thing for your circular saws. They come with different teeth per inch. They come with different canter on the teeth. They come regular steel, and they come with carbide tipped. So there's a lot. You do your research before you just go out and buy a blade. Say, oh, I need a blade. You just go to the store and buy one. Check to see what it is you're cutting. You look at what you're cutting. Check to find out what type of blade you really need, because it can save you a bunch of money in the long run. All right. And if you have the opportunity right now, please pound that thumbs up button. Give me a thumbs up, like, so that YouTube's analytic will push this video out. Also, if you could please leave a comment, something nice, I'd appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below there, then click that little down arrow on the subscribe that drops down the notification process. And please click all. Also, if you have any friends, relatives, co-workers, neighbors that are thinking about getting prepared, or just, kind of mentioned something in passing to you about, wow, things are kind of bad, I may need to get, more supplies or something, Or if they ask you about getting, well, what sort of supplies do you think I should get? Well, don't overwhelm them with a ton of information all at once. What you can do is, I'm going to put a link up here to the Prepping in Private playlist and Prepping for Beginners up here and the Prepping in Private down here. You can share those two playlists with them and tell them, hey, it's one step at a time. Learn a little, do a little, all right? Because you want all the people that know that you might have extra supplies to get their own so they don't come after yours, all right? See you around. Take care. Keep adding to your preps and don't end up like this.